Which one is it? Oh, Jesus.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 7:45 p.m. At 6:46 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of scattered severe thunderstorms capable of producing strong winds to nearly 50 knots and large hail from 27 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor to 6 nautical miles southeast of Calumet Harbor, moving northeast to 10 knots. Mariners can expect gusty winds, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ-81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area.